For some reason, everyone seems to think their burdens are the heaviest, which in reality it is not so. When we were kids, we used to have this riddle: a pound of lead and a pound of feathers. Which is heavier? Oftentimes, without thinking, we would say the pound of lead. This is because we were not looking at the actual facts and reality. We were relying purely on our perception. Our perception said lead is always heavier than feather, even though they both weighed 1 pound. So, not because you are able to handle your problems, have a little empathy for your fellow men. Depending on your level of growth and other unique factors, the magnitude of problem weighs the same. For you, your house burned down, yet you held your own and bounced back easily. For the other man, it might be his inability to pay a light bill, and it stresses him beyond measure. So instead of casting a stone, what you should desire is that man gets a breakthrough in mental